Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. This is Tushar Shaw, and in this video we'll be continuing to solve the GATE 2021 paper, obviously from the chemistry set that we were solving since the last 18 videos, and this would be probably the last video on this set, and then we'll be from the next video onwards we'll be moving on to BHU 2020 paper. Okay. So let us start this video. Only four more questions are left of the NAT question type, and then we'll be completing this set. Okay. So in the last video we did up till question number 51. So we'll be starting from question number 52 in this case. So question number 52 says that the reaction CO gas plus Cl2 gas, reversible COCl2 gas at 500 degrees Celsius has initial pressure. So at T is equal to 0, initial pressures we will be having 0.7 bar of CO, okay, and 1.0 bar of Cl2, okay, as allowed to reach equilibrium. So the this one was at 0 in the initial stage, okay. At T is equal to TEQ, we have 0.7 minus x bar and 1.0 minus x bar, and we'll be having 1 x bar as the at equilibrium partial pressure, okay. So so Kp here will be equal to uh, x into P divided by 0.7 minus x into 1.0 minus x into P square, okay, where P is the partial pressure, okay. So yeah, so this is the case. So instead of P, let us consider this P, neglect this P over here. So we just put the values over here and we'll just calculate the Kp value. So the partial pressure of COCl2 at equilibrium is found out to be 0.15 bar. Okay, so let us put the values of x in the whole equation. We'll be getting the value of Kp here. So 0.15 divided by 0.7 minus uh, 0.15 into 1.0 minus 0.15, okay. So let us calculate this value. uh, so we have 0.15 divided by 0.7 minus 0.15, yeah, 0.7 minus 0.15 divided by 1 minus 0.15, okay. So this value comes out to be 0.3209, okay. Now in the options in the question you can see that you have to round up the value to two decimal places, okay. So this is obviously the correct answer, and in the chat box you will be writing 0.32 as your answer, okay. Which one would be this answer would be correct, 0.32. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 53. Okay, so this question says that this is obviously a chemical kinetics chapter question. So it says that the rate constant of decomposition of a molecule in presence of oxygen are 0. So the first rate constant K1 is at 0.237 into 10 to the power minus 4 liter mole inverse second inverse at T is equal to 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Okay, another value is given, that is K2 is equal to 2.64 into 10 to the power minus 4 liter mole inverse second inverse at 25 T is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 298 Kelvin. Okay, so these are the two values that are given to you. Okay, now R is obviously given to be equal to 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and we have to just calculate the value for EA. Okay, EA needs to be found out. Okay, so let us like write the formula down over here. So ln, basic formula from the Arrhenius equation is ln K2 by K1, is equal to EA by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay. So let us put the values over here. So K2 ln K2 is equal to 2.64 divided by, we cancel out the 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4 because they are in the division form and they will be cancelled out eventually. So I am not writing it directly. Okay, ln divided by 0.237 is equal to EA by 8.314 into 1 divided by T1 is this is T1, this is T2. So T1 is 273 Kelvin minus 1 divided by 298 Kelvin. Okay, so let us calculate the value. So firstly we will be calculating this ln 2.64 divided by 0.237. 2.64 divided by 0.237, this value comes out to be 2.4105 is equal to EA by let us calculate, multiply this R also here. So 8.314 is equal to EA into this value we just calculated. So 1 divided by 273 minus 1 divided by 298. This value comes out to be 3.073 is equal into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, or EA would be equal to 2 point, let us just calculate this value. So 2.4105 into 8.314, this comes out to be 20.0409 divided by, we have 3.073 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, divide by 3.073 and divide by 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this comes out to be 65216.007 joules. Okay, now in the question you can see that you are asked to calculate the value in, obviously this is in joule per mole, you have been asked to calculate the value in kilojoules per mole. Okay, so we will be converting this into kilojoule per mole by which is equal to 65.216 kilojoule per mole, and we have to round off the answer into one decimal place. So in the chat box you will be writing 65.2 as your answer, which will be correct. Okay, moving on to the next question, question number 54. It says that that 2 liter of a gas at 1 atmosphere is reversibly heated to reach a final volume of 3.5 liter. Okay, so initial volume is V1 is 2 liter and final volume V2 is 3.5 liter. Okay, so and the pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, it is given. So and the reversible heating is taken place, so the work done needs to be calculated and the answer needs to be found like rounded off to the nearest integer. Okay, so but we know that for reversible work done, uh, yeah, so reversible work done is equal to minus P delta V. Okay, so we put the values minus 1 divided by minus into V2 minus V1. So minus 1 into 3.5 minus 2, so we will be getting the value minus 1.5 liter atmosphere. Okay, so from liter atmosphere we need to convert this value to joules. So W will be equal to minus 1.5 into 8.314. We are calculating by R divided by the 0.0821. So we will be getting the value this equal to minus 1.5 sorry minus 152 joules. Okay, this minus should be there in the answer, though it is a work done, but we are showing the reversibility and irreversibility in this case, so minus should be there in your answer. Okay, and the options questions has to round out in the nearest integer, so we have just got the value to the nearest integer, and this and the chat box you will be writing minus 152 as your answer. Okay, correct answer. Okay, so moving on to the last question of this video, basically last question of this paper also. That is question number 55. Okay. So this is an inorganic question. All the organic and physical questions are finished. Okay. So ore is given CO3 AsO4 whole 2 dot H2O. Okay. This ore is given. So and atomic weights of all the species are given. So let us calculate the molecular weight of this ore. So we will be having 3 into the weight of CO is 59. Okay. Plus 2 into weight of As is 75 into weight of oxygen is 16, so 16 into 4. Okay. This would be 1 and plus water weight of water is 18. Okay. So let us calculate this value. 75 plus 16 into 4 into 2 plus 3 into 59 plus 18. Okay, so this the weight for this molecule, this ore comes out to be 0.414 grams. Okay, gram per mole. Okay, now we need to obtain pure cobalt from the system, that to 1 kg. Okay, so uh, uh, 1 mole of cobalt, okay, would be having 59 grams. So instead of writing like this, we'll be writing the another way. So 59 gram of cobalt would be making 1 mole of cobalt. Okay. So 1 gram of cobalt would be making made by 1 by 59 mole of cobalt. This ore. Okay. 1 mole of cobalt. Okay. Cobalt. So then we are talking about 1 kg of cobalt we need to find out. So 1000 gram of cobalt would be equal to of CO will be equal to 1000 divided by 59 moles of cobalt, which is equal to 1000 divided by 59. This value comes out to be 16.9492 moles, okay, of cobalt. So this number of this moles of this amount of moles of cobalt would be giving us exactly 1 kg of cobalt. Okay, so from one of this ores, 3 molecules of cobalt are coming. Okay, so if we take so the answer here would be 16.9492 divided by 3 is equal to 5.6497. Okay, so this amount of this number of moles of this ore would be required to produce 1000 grams of cobalt. Okay, so from this moles we will be calculating the amount in grams. Okay, so number of moles is equal to weight by molecular mass, or 5.6497 into weight is equal to weight by molecular mass is we calculate 1414, or weight will be equal to this value 5 point into 4414. Okay, this comes out to be 2338.983 grams, or we'll be just converting it into kilos because that is what the question is required. So 2.339 kg. Okay, this is our exact answer. Okay, now in the options you can see that, in the question you can see that we need to round up this answer to 2 decimal places. So in the chat box you will be writing 2.34 as your correct answer. Okay, so this was all about GATE 2021 paper. Okay, so yeah, so this was all about GATE 2021 paper. We did many up till total of 65 questions, including 10 questions from the aptitude part, and 55 questions from the normal, that is the this part, the chemistry part. Okay, so let us end this video here. Then from the next video onwards we will be starting to solve the BHU questions. Okay, BHU 2020. So thank you guys for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.